Awang Nongpok State Singdagi Masing Yamlaba Maheiroi Sing Furup Kanglup Haiduna Punna Thoraktuna ngarang Delhi da leiba Jantar Mantar-da Manipur gi erang asi loisinbiyu lanjennaduna leiriba imung sing resettle tawduna mayum hanjinhallu haiduna peaceful protest ama Chatthakhre ngarang gi peace protest aduda tha tarani pan erangna Manipur gi naha oiriba singda piriba chaitheng singi awawa kaya asi kokhanbiyu haina central amadi state lenga ki pungning chingsen ki SEP Manipur no compromise on Manipur territorial integrity haiba wakalonda Delhi da leiba Maheiroi amadi naha singi group oiriba Manipur Innovative Youth Organization MAIYOND amadi United Kakching Student UNIKAS Delhi nasinduna peaceful protest aduda Manipur gi miyamna santi hanjilakpa ngairiba amadi fibam amatada Manipur gi territorial integrity amadi administrative integrity kaibiyaroi haiba paujal piki Delhi University ki North Student Society ki mihut singsu protest aduda saruk yakibaga loinana Delhi da leiriba North East ki Maheiroi Singh leibaga sigi tungi yumpirel oiriba naha Maheiroi Singh gi awabada saruk yari haiba utki ngarangi protest aduda central amadi state lengakna tha taranipan surak laba Manipur gi erang asi line loba asi pendava fongdoki loinana haujik Manipur da awaba fibam amada leiriba erang asina maram oiraga lanjennaduna relief camp singda changjafam lauriba miyoi lising humfugi mahing asi lengakna line lobi ganu haiki ngasi protest aduda mari lainaba historian amadi geopolitical analyst Abhijit Chaudana fongdokibada Manipur gi santi hanjinhallu state asida mausagi punchida hanjilakpa haibasi ahanba pandam oigedabani haina fongdoki
The pain in Manipur has gone on too long. Violence and division had scared our people, forced many from their homes and left family broken. Today, we also come together in unity with a shared purpose and a peaceful heart. We are here to demand peace, justice, and a brighter future for our beloved Manipur. This is not just a protest, it is a prayer, a call to our government and leaders, and a commitment to peace and healing. Let this gathering remind us that peace requires action and unity requires commitment. Today, we pray for courage, for our leaders to make bold, compassionate decisions that prioritize the people of Manipur. We pray for a future where the youths and students will live without fear.
Manipur